Hello, my lovely Aquarius. This is Shri Vidya, and we'll be doing your love and relationship rating for the month of December. In the first half, what's coming on for you, what you are going through. In the second half, we'll go and see the energies of your partners, whomsoever you are relating to. So let's begin. The cards are already shuffled. I want to know what's the current self of my Aquarians. Aquarius current self, please. Guys, please help me to understand what is going on with them. Current self of Aquarius, current self of Aquarius, current self of Aquarius, please. Current self of Aquarius. I have got two cards, but I won't be taking. I just want one card. Current self of Aquarius, please. Current self card. Okay. Crossing card, please. Crossing card. Okay. Okay. Your foundation energies, please. Magician, Gemini card. This is could be relating to Gemini. Past energies. King of Swords. One more card to clarify past, please. One more card to clarify past, please. And the Page of Swords. If you could see the combination King of Swords and Page of Swords. Where is the king and where is the page? And see, both are looking in different directions. So I could assume that this is you and your partner, and you both are although of same thinking, but the level of thinking is was not in the past. It was not the maturity level was not up to the brim. You were a king and he was a page. He used to always, pick on you and, be jealous of you as well. I am seeing lots of throat chakra energy over here. So you both might be, used to have so many disagreements in the past. What I'm going through. Okay, your wow. This is your crowning energy, Ace of Cups. Love is coming your way. Wow, good. And your future card, please. Future card, please. Future card. Future card, please. Judgment. So here we can see that your partner could be Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Gemini very strong, and this Aries, Leo, Sag with Judgment. So let's begin your reading. The overall uh, thing of lying down here shows that you both used to fight a lot. The partner that you are relating to, I'm not seeing a tower moment over here, so this is something like a restless, you are in a restless energy, and you want to be with him, work with him, but he is not of your level, what I am presuming. You both could be office colleague or have a business partnership, and there is some beautiful energies also here, but first let me get some clarificatory so that we can understand. Current self, please clarify the current self, what it means. Current self card for my Aquarius, please. A clarification card for my Aquarius. Current self. Okay. Now this is not a very good energy, and lovers is also reverse. So I see that um, this relationship has ended. I was earlier talking about, I am not seeing a tower moment here, but this is also a tower moment. So the relationship has ended. Currently also you feel like you want to bury this inside. You don't want to walk towards it. You are restless also, and you are also working in some partnership field somewhere. You could be HR consultant, and you're working with public. That's what I am saying. You are diverting your energy to some workplace. Okay. And what happened in the past? What happened in the past? Okay. See, King of Swords, Page of Swords, and now comes the Ace of Swords. That in reverse. So definitely this is a clear cut destruction. You both, the partner you were connecting to, you both used to fight a lot, and there were total disagreement in the relationship, and therefore that situation, you ended the relationship. I see that you clearly denied this person, and he also refused to admit his mistake, and he but still I see that he is somewhat jealous and also keeping an eye on you. Okay. Why magician is there? Why magician is there as your foundation energy? Your your guides are telling here that you are in a phase of manifestation. This is a proper time to manifest something good in your life, but be very guarded about your thoughts, because your thought is going to manifest some person in your life or something, whatever you feel like it's going to happen. And there's a major change coming your way. I'm seeing that there is major change coming your way. Some good energies are also being blocked by you. You need to release the restlessness that you have. That I feel that you are very being somehow vengeful also, I'm getting, because this person, the past person, did very bad to you. That was not expected, whatever he did. So you are being very angry at him, but this anger could block the beautiful energy that is coming your way. Let me get one more card. One more card to clarify the foundation energy, please. And get past your this depression phase. You are being in a depression phase also. So whatever you are thinking, you could manifest it. So stop thinking bad, because a beautiful new energy is on your way. It's beautiful card. Ace of Cups is like just coming round. It's just round the corner. Let me get one more clarificatory card so that I can guide you. Please clarify the Ace of Cups here. Please give me one card. Please clarify the Ace of Cups here. Please clarify the Ace of Cups here. Please clarify the Ace of Cups here. Wow. Now, this is what I call a beautiful connection. Some stable, grounded person is going to offer you the cup of marriage. But beware, if the past person comes, you need to be very clear about his intention, as the bottom of deck is ten of swords also. So this is like, I'm sorry, yeah, this is like a backstabbing card. So someone could approach you with a love offer, but that too with an evil intention. So very much be aware that the person is genuine. Please give me one more card to clarify this King of Pentacles and this Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, please. One more card. King of Pentacles is Aries, Taurus energy. One more card to clarify it, whether this is the deceiver or someone genuine is coming. And I feel this. Okay, I have got two cups. Whoa. Major arcanas are here. The High Priestess is here, and the Queen of Cups. So now you need to now, yes, I am getting a point that you are a person with very emotions, very much emotions, but the person coming towards you is a practical person. He might not have so much emotion, but he is a trustworthy individual. So before making any decision, you need to decide, talk to him, have some courtship period, and then make a then decide to go for it or to backtrack it. Something major is coming your way. Major changes around the corner, my dear Aquarius. It's in December month only. The Judgment. Why the Judgment is here? Why the Judgment is here? Gemini, Cancer energy is very prominent. Aries energy is also here. Judgment. Please clarify Judgment. Please clarify Judgment. Page of Cups. And what is this? The Star. This is your energy, the Star. So I am taking it for future. This past person is definitely going to come in your life to beg for a renewal of your relationship. You need to be a bit careful about this, although he is very hopeful that you will allow him to enter your life. So this was your reading, one side of your reading. Let me get the reading of the person, that the ex that you were connecting to. Let me get his card also, so that you could understand what he is actually going through, what he really feels about you. Okay, about the ex, please give me what this person genuinely feels about my Aquarius. The ex, what the ex genuinely feel about my Aquarius. What the ex genuinely feel about my Aquarius. Please tell me what this ex genuinely feel about my Aquarius. Ten of Cups reversed. So he is not at all happy. Presently, what I am seeing is that, and he somehow, you have also buried this relationship, and he has also buried this relationship. He has also so many regrets. What he is hiding, what he is hiding, the world, he is not happy, he is not at all happy wherever he is, and he wants to enter into a new relationship, a new relationship. What he is going to bring to the table to my Aquarius in the December month is this person is going to approach. Now Ace of Cups reversed. Now this is something like he is holding, he is not showing his emotional self to you. He feels very strongly towards you. See, the Ace of Cups and Ten of Cups, both are emotional energy. He is withdrawing to give you this, but he is then giving you the world, the new arena. He wants to enter into a new arena with you, but he is withdrawing his emotions. He is not showing you his emotions. Any more card? What he is going to do in the month of December? What he is going to do in the month of December? Queen of Wands reversed. Okay, again, this is something like someone who has some passion, who has some emotions, but he is holding back. He is holding back from you. But I'm not getting why this world card is here. Please clarify the world card over here. Please clarify the world card over here. Please clarify the world card over here. Three of Cups reversed. Okay, so this from this I am understanding that you both are friends. You both have a common friends, and you both have been a friend to each other. And if this is reverse, that you are not talking to each other through your friends, but he is keeping an eye on you. Whatever I am feeling, he is not happy. He is not with his friends. One more card to clarify this world, please. One more card. Why this world? Where he wants to go? See. Oh my god, I was a bit afraid of this only. The Ace of Pentacles. Remember in your reading, the King of Pentacles was there? So this person only might come and give you an offer of marriage. This person can give you an offer of marriage, but he is holding back his Ace of Cups. Ace of Pentacle and Ace of Cup, both are new beginning. He is holding back his emotions. He'll come, he'll show you that okay, we'll do this, we'll do that, although he feels about you. But what the advice I am getting here for you is that get out his true self. Get out his true self. You both have regrets towards each other. Until and unless he expresses what he regrets about, and until unless you expresses what you feels about him, you cannot enter into a new stable commitment, although definitely a marriage proposal is coming your way, that's for sure. So he is the I'm so sorry to say, my Aquarius, he is the person who is coming around the corner for you. Be prepared. Any advice card? Any advice card for any advice card for my Aquarius? 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 Oh, now this is Two of Cups reversed. See? Sorry, not able to see now. Okay, now Two of Cups reversed. This is something like the commitment that he is offering cannot be fulfilling to you as of now. First of all, you need to love yourself, take care of yourself first, take care of your own needs, your own self respect. Because this person can offer you the marriage, but if he cannot say that he loves you, although he does, but this is some pride and ego coming your way, you need to then love yourself first. Give yourself the priority, prioritize yourself. Don't prioritize this person. What's going on with you? Something is coming up, then something is going on, again the something is coming up. Let me get some clear cards from my twin flame deck. What this person wants to say to my Aquarius. Please tell me what this person wants to say to my Aquarius. I can't seem to find the right words to say to you. Definitely, he is not going to say that he loves you. He is going to say, okay, I love. It has been very long time, so we should get married. I can still feel you. He misses you. Ten of Cups. He misses you. One more card, please. One more card. What he wants to say. What he wants to say. No other compares to you. See, if a person is giving you Ace of Cups and Ace of Pentacles, at least that is coming in your reading, this means that you have been a major part of that person. He really acknowledges you. But once you get married to this person and you